Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial on the 1415. All right, so I'm going to go straight forward to the tutorial, right? So remember we are playing the key of C sharp, all right? All right, so it's 7 5 7 5 7 5 4. Seven, five, four, one. All right, so it's a 7 5 7 5 7 5 4 1 1 1 6 4 3 7 5 4 1 1 6 4 3. Now this is like an added 9 C sharp, so 1 5 5 1 2 3. Seven three, seven three, seven three, 6 4 4 1 5 4 3 1. All right, guys. So when you are done with you enter 1 4 1 5 4 1 5 4 3. Seven one seven two seven two seven 7 2 7 6 5 4 3. So that's it, guys. So you do like this. That's it. Alright, then the other one. So is a 4 1 7 1 1 7 1 7 6 4 1 4. One seven, 5 6 2 5. I do it slowly. Because this is like you are moving from the 1 4 1 1 1 and 5. That's it, guys. So when you combine it, it's something like this. And the left hand I was just doing 1 1 1 1 1 5 5 1 1 4 4 1 1 5 5. Very simple. Okay. So it's a okay. This one is very simple. Like I said, you just dun, 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 1 1 1 1 1 1 4 1 1 1 1 2 5. All right, very simple. Alright guys, please, that's the end of the video. Do want to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.